welcome to our Learning to Cook Pizza journey, and today I'm cooking two pizzas. I'm cooking one in the Koda with gas and the second in the Ooni Karu with gas. I'm going to be making beef barbecue pizza and chicken barbecue pizza. I'm going to test out what I think of the dough flavours using the Biga. I haven't made it before, but I just wanted to see how it would come out and whether it's worth the extra work that you put in with the dough. So here's the dough process I used. Let's see how it goes. This dough is the Biga dough and it's come out all nice and fluffy, very fluffy and light. It's very different to my normal dough. It's not bouncing back, staying. I'm going to see now how this stretches. Okay, we've made the dough with the Biga. The process is earlier on in the video. Just getting my oven up to the right temperature. Just make sure it's the right temperature in the middle. It's still a bit hot. I've turned it down to show how hot it can get at the back of this oven. 532 on the stone, 950 Fahrenheit, which is high. I'm going to skip it back to centigrade. Just gonna give it a little wiggle. Yeah, let's put it in. It's cooking so fast. Done. There is a slight taste in there that's like a more mature kind of doughy taste. Choose between a beer dough and the Biga to proof the dough. I go for the beer dough. It had a nicer taste to it. So definitely the dough, the Biga recipe that I've used has made my dough cook faster. It's got nice taste. I'll give that a bit of a try. I think it cooked quickly in my oven. It was a lot of work. So overall, I'd say with the barbecue beef pizza I've made here, it tastes okay. There's a significant lack of hydration in my dough. I think I need to work on experimenting with the balance of how much hydration is in this pizza, because when you add the Biga, I don't think I've worked out properly how much more water I should be adding from the Biga dough recipe I used. I think I need to add a lot more water. I felt it was quite dry, the dough. It tasted more like of a bread structure, and I'm going to try it again in the curry with the chicken and see if it comes out any different with that cook now. So let's go and make that pizza. Okay, let's cook this Biga pizza. Oh, blimey, I haven't turned the gas down. I'm still getting used to the gas burner. I'm not sure if it's like the second time I've used the gas, so I'm still learning. Done. I'm going to try that bit. Try that bit there. This is what I wanted from it. And I can taste the flavour of the dough. So overall, after cooking these two pizzas, I think the dough does need a lot more water because I've used and added the Biga. It doesn't taste that, it's got this dryness to the dough, a bit like bread now, and although it's got a nice flavour, I really need to play around with the hydration levels to make this better. It's work in progress, but I hope you enjoyed this video. It's good to try out new things and learn from them. And yeah, so stay safe everyone. Take care. Bye. And don't forget to check out our website, gottoeatpizza.com. Link is below.